Hey folks, Glenn May here with BassResource.com, and welcome to another edition of Hank Parker's Fishing Tips. Hank, got a great question here from Carl from Sacramento, California, and he wants to know what 4 or 5 baits would you always have in your boat no matter what the conditions are?
Well, that is a great question, and I tried to answer some previous questions about baits and choosing baits like tools. You know, if you got a toolbox, you got to have a screwdriver. You got to have an adjustable wrench. You've got to have a hammer, my favorite tool of all, the hammer. So you go by what you need to get jobs done like tools. Well, that's the way I look at fishing, you know. You don't have to have a lot of specialized jerk baits and those sorts of things, but you got to have a spinnerbait. You've got to have some sort of topwater bait. You've got to have a plastic worm. You've got to have a jig, and you've got to have a crankbait. Those are the basics that you got to have. You can't go without those. So if I'm limited to 5, that's going to be the baits. I'm going to have a plastic worm. I'm going to have a topwater bait. I'm going to have a spinnerbait. I'm going to have a crankbait. And what else did I say? A jig?
I think you
gotta
said
have a jig.
Yep,
I don't know if I did that, but let's go down the order again. First of all, you got to have a plastic worm. You got to have a spinnerbait. You got to have a crankbait. You got to have a topwater bait, and you have to have a jig. Those are the 5 baits, if I were limited to just 5, that I would definitely have in my tackle box.
Carl, there's your answer. I hope that helps. For more tips and tricks, you got to visit hankparker.com. There's lots of tips and tricks and articles on there for you to check out. And if you want to be notified of the next video that we post, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
I'm glad you hiccup every once in a while.
I do hiccup every once in a while.
I hiccup too. So, hey, if you want to be notified the next time we do some tips, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll love it, man. Some great tips coming your way. So be sure and you subscribe.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Have a great day.